Let's learn how you can create this Goodbye 2024 trend on TikTok using only CapCut and TikTok applications. So first we'll start by opening our TikTok search and just type in Goodbye 2024. Try this template.
And with that,
Now you want to click on use template in CapCut. And now it will open up CapCut. Just click on use template blue button once again. And here you will have to select images.
and with that,
Once you select the right images, you can select up to 150. Here will be the preview of your video and every image you have. You don't need to set 100 images if you don't want. You can also edit audio or text. You can write something different here, as you can see. When you're done, just click on export and you choose whether you want to save it on your device or share on TikTok. So this is it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.